Hi, good morning. This is Selvin and Nimi, my wife. So we are on a journey from Mumbai to Cochin. So we have left our home at 6:15 a.m. and our first halt will be at Kolhapur. So we will be staying at Kolhapur for 2 nights, and we will be showing you the sights in Kolhapur, which is a very interesting city. Hi everyone, Selvin here. We have reached Kolhapur. In fact, we are on a long journey, month-long journey from Mumbai to Cochin and back via Pondicherry, Chennai, Madurai, Bangalore. So it's a very long, 1 month long journey. And our first stop is Kolhapur. And we reached at 3 p.m. and now it is 5 p.m. So Kolhapur has got very important value historically as well as spiritually. Like, it is supposed to be 2000 years old, this place, because it is written in certain old scriptures, Hindu scriptures, about this place. And it was ruled by the Marathas from 12th century to the 18th century. If you see on this clock tower, this clock tower was built in 1881, and every 15 minutes this clock bell rings. So there is a mechanic who comes regularly and maintains it. So every 15 minutes the clock tower rings, and every hour it has got a different bell. It's very beautiful. The entire place is well maintained, and they have in the lawns they have got deers, more than 100 deers in the lawns, and a lot of ostriches also. If you see outside the gate, and after 6 p.m. you will find more than 100 peacocks flying around here. When all this public goes off, you will see a lot of peacocks around. He is the Shahu Maharaj who has built this palace, and in memory of his name has been inscripted as Shahu Chhatrapati. It's very beautiful. Hi friends, we have now come to the Rangkhala lake in Kolhapur. This lake was created naturally due to an earthquake in the early 9th century, and now Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj, that is, we went to the palace earlier. He has built this promenade and this pathway and this beautiful walkway around this lake, and so that the people could enjoy the beauty of it and enjoy the beautiful climate that is present right now. The weather is so beautiful, and there are thousands of people thronging around at night, and it goes on till 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock at night. And this remains as bright as day throughout the night. Look at the lightings, beautiful reflections, and there are thousands of people here. In fact, all those places there are hundreds of stalls. People come to eat dinner here.
और इसमें
ये ने बेल ही बना दिया पूरा।